So everybody, we are at the store called At Home. I'm not sure if you've got it in your area, but At Home's a really cool uh, household merchandise for your home, decorations, furniture, all kinds of cool stuff. But they've got a huge seasonal section, and we're going to go inside and see what they have for Halloween. So let's go. So At Home, it's a huge box store. I'm trying to remember what this was. Garden Ridge. It used to be Garden Ridge a long time ago, but now it's At Home. We'll go inside and see what type of Halloween decorations they have this year. So as soon as you walk in, check out all the gargoyles up front there. And then over here, you've got this huge skull that lights up. I don't think the mouth moves. I think it's just the, let's see. Oh, one of the balls went out. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. Check out the black Christmas tree with all the skulls and that huge spider and Christmas. So, yeah, starting a little bit too soon, I think. But the cool blow up of the pumpkin, pillows. Check out the dragon too. This huge dragon. All kinds of cool stuff for the inside of your house. You get this really neat. That's something to think about because we got a really cool wreath for Halloween. You get your little wreath holder here for your front door with a skull on it. Pretty cool. More and more decorations for the house. We don't really do much of the inside of the house for Halloween. We usually do mainly the outside because, of course, we're not going to have any trick-or-treaters come in. We're not having a party, but if you're having a party and you want to have it all themed out, this is definitely the place to come to theme out the inside of your home. I just saw this really cool unicorn skull. That's pretty neat. Let's see how much he's going for. Ooh, 20 bucks. So that's pretty neat. Inside or outside. Check out these pumpkins with the top hat that light up. Really neat outside decorations along here. Got some blow-ups. Got some big blow-ups we'll look at in just a moment. I'm really digging the top hat on the pumpkins there. Oh, check him out. Oh, it's like a gargoyle skeleton. Yeah, that is pretty neat. I'm thinking about that one. That would be kind of cool to put outside. And along here, got these cool metal stands, metal decorations here you put outside. Very cool. Crazy pumpkin right there with the teeth. Got the ghost on top of the pumpkin here. Got the Spidey looking, cartoony looking witch. Very cool. Oh, check this out. Here's Zero. Oh, he's pretty cool. Look at the size of him. He's a big guy here. Yeah, I like him. Let's see how much he's going for. So I looked for a price on Zero. I don't really see a price, but Jack here is going for 30. So maybe he's around the same price as Jack. You got these cool gnomes here, holding a skeleton of an owl. Very cool. Oh, here's the male one. So you saw the female. There's the male one there. Check out the monkey. He's 14. He looks pretty cool. I like him, but I'm really digging this guy here. Looks like Gargoyle skeleton. I do like him. Got a bunch of them here. He lights up too. Also have these huge dragons here with the wings. Bunch of those. You get the dragon skull here, which I really like that too. So here's one of the ones here. There you go. So he comes out with blue light eyes. Yeah, we came on a second ago. There you go. Okay. You got the fish there. You got the Dotson looking skeleton. Wow. Oh, check out the blow up dragon here. He's 80. He's got the skeleton look to him right there. He's pretty cool. And here's some of the blow-ups here. You got Jack there. Big guy. He's 99. You got the gnome here. So they have a cool variety of different blow-ups all around here. Very cute. A little dog there. It's a little Boston Terrier with a witch outfit on. You got the skeleton with the pumpkin head. You got this huge pumpkin. Wow, it's huge. And if you want to theme your house at Thanksgiving, you do have a turkey. Look at all these guys. Wow. So Connie found this cool little centerpiece. You could use that for Thanksgiving or for Halloween. I'll put a little skeleton next to it on the table. So we're going to get that. And we also are going to get this blow up of Jack on the pumpkin. We have Oogie Boogie. So we're going to have them next to each other in the yard for the kids. So I hope you enjoyed our little trip to At Home. It's a really cool store to go into. They got, like I said, they have a variety of stuff. They have a huge seasonal area. That actually was just part of their Halloween stuff. That particular store didn't have as much as the smaller store closer to us, which is crazy because that's the bigger store of the two. Anyway, we're probably going to do one more video. We'll do it at the smaller store so you can see more of the variety of other items they have for Halloween. And of course, they have all the Christmas stuff coming. And already putting that up. It's like, whoa, let's get Halloween first, right? So, yeah, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, comment. Got more stuff coming up soon. Some cool costume stuff we're going to show you, too, I've been working on. All right, guys, you take care. Oh, and also stay tuned for some of the haunted attractions we're going to. All right, take care. Bye-bye.